These are the pictures that we've received from the spot in Malin district of Pune early this morning. You can see in the pictures that relief and rescue operations are currently underway. Full scale, 400 NDRF personnel are in that area to help in the relief and rescue operations. As of now, 21 bodies have been recovered and about 130 people are still feared to be trapped under the debris. And of course, 70 houses overall are affected in this landslide.
Mode of communication, accessibility to the village and bad weather are the three major factors which are hampering the search and rescue operation here in Malin village. To tackle with one of such problems, the government has just installed one such portable communication device that's from the government BSNL side, so that the communication between this village which is situated at a hilltop and the base village can be established. Now if my cameraman can show, these are some of the structures which have been evacuated. Now these houses of Malin village have survived the impact of landslide, and the NDRF team are continuously working 24/7 in the search and rescue operation. To talk more on that, I am joined by second in command of NDRF, Mr. Varghese. Mr. Varghese, we are told that few more teams have been added. So how many NDRF teams have been added and what is the current status of the operation?
Two more teams from Bombay have joined us in the evening, and now we have 9 teams.
Okay.
More than 350 people.
Okay. So what is the status of the operation? How many bodies you have recovered and how many people are still missing?
We have recovered 21 dead bodies and 8 live victims so far.
Okay. So that's approximately 129 are still missing.
129. As per the information we had, there were about 158 people. Yeah. So when now 129 are remaining. Okay. As per that.
Sir, this weather is not conducive for the search and rescue operation. In fact, it's been continuously raining heavily for the last 24 hours since the time the landslide occurred. How are you planning to carry out this operation considering the amount of mud and debris we can see?
It will delay the operation a little bit, but our men are trained to work in adverse conditions. Okay. And we are using these heavy earth moving equipments. Okay. So things are progressing.
Okay, fine. Thank you. There you heard Mr. Varghese, who is second in command, who is leading the operation here at Malin village. If my cameraman can show, there are several ambulances have also been kept on standby. The help from the adjacent districts have also arrived here. The state government is trying their best to provide help to the NDRF team as much as possible. Now, as I mentioned, more than 350 NDRF personnel have been pressed into action, and are making sure that there's no one alive there's no anyone alive there should be taken out from the mud and debris, and also they are making sure that each and every body is taken out in a as good possible as manner as possible. With Pradeep Mane, this is Ashish Singh for Times Now.